Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. I'm going to very quickly show you how to detangle your hair after braids to cut your detangling time in half, get your hair ready for Christmas, and not have a lot of fuss going on. So this is going to be real quick. Stay tuned and be ready. I'm just showing you her hair so you guys know her hair has been up for a minute. I have removed her braids. Obviously, that's the first thing you want to do. But step one, separate the hair. The thicker your hair, the smaller your sections. As you see, I had a section at the bottom, but I'm separating that section. I separated it in fours, and then I separated this section into 3 sections. So I just clipped the biggest 2 out of the way. Separating our hair is key. Step 2. Spray the hair with water. Lightly mist the hair. Don't overly saturate. Lightly mist with hair with water. And if you're interested in those spray bottles, email us at customerservice@tmhairproducts.com. Step 3. After you spray the hair with water, you rub it in a downward motion like so. This helps the water to penetrate the hair faster, especially if you have low porosity hair, and it prepares the hair to accept the detangler. Step 4. Told y'all this was quick and easy. Apply the smooth through detangler wherever your hair tangles, but because my girls suffer more in the root, that's where we start. In step 5. Work it in with the pads of your fingers. Just work it into the hair with the pads of your fingers, and you're going to start to feel the detangler to break up the knots. You'll start feeling it break up the knots and tangles. Step 6. Comb through the hair with a wide tooth comb, starting from the ends always. Starting from the ends, working your way up, combing with a wide tooth comb. If you have a lot of single strand knots, I would suggest a finer tooth comb. Step 7. Step 7 is very easy, very simple. Clip that hair out the way. That's it. Repeat each section until you are completely done detangling. Now I just sped this up to show you guys in faster time the detangling process. If your hair is very tangled at the root, focus more on the root. Apply the detangler more to the root and work it in the root. Now also, as you can see, she has very, very thick hair. So my sections are smaller where I get to with the sections of her hair that are thicker than others. She has thick hair all over, obviously, as you guys see here. But the sections that are thicker than others, each section that I break is a little smaller, and you'll see that. If you have a knot like I just did, work that knot out. You see how I made this section smaller than the other sections? Apply the detangler again, focusing where your hair knots the most. Her hair knots the most at the roots, so I start at the end and detangle my way up. And you just repeat this section, repeat these steps until you're done. Boom, hair's detangled, ready to go to the next step. Stay tuned for the next video to see what we do to her hair next. Rinse the detangler completely out of your hair, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.